Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a bubble head in Canva using an easy method. First, open Canva and choose a new design, like a custom size of 1000 by 1000 pixels. Next, upload your desired photo into the editor. Then, use Canva's built-in background remover tool to isolate your subject. This simple step sets the foundation for your fun bubble head creation. Now let's refine our image. Carefully crop your photo to focus tightly on the head and a small portion of the shoulders. This ensures a clean bubble effect. Once cropped, duplicate this head image. Then, find a circular frame in Canva's elements and drag it over your duplicated head. The image will automatically snap into the circular shape, giving you a perfect round head. To achieve the bubble effect, search for a transparent circle in the Elements section. Place this circle behind your newly framed head. Adjust its color to a light blue or white and set its transparency to about 60% for a realistic bubble appearance. Next, bring back your original body image and position it directly below the bubble head. Ensure the neck aligns naturally with the body. For the final touches, select all the elements: the body, the bubble, and the head, and group them together. This allows you to resize and move your entire bubble head design as one unit. Feel free to add text, shapes, or other graphics to personalize your creation. Once you are happy with your design, download it in a high-quality format like PNG or JPG. You've successfully made a bubble head.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.